This is how short and effective a video can be. Let's have a look. I've repeated it 3 times. So this is an extremely short animation. Now let's have a look at an animated GIF. A very recognizable situation for mothers, I think. Of course, there are a little bit more longer ones. You can see this is a beautiful made instructional video. Now for another example. As you can see, this is a whiteboard animation video that gives you the problem, gives you the solution in an entertaining way. And finally, we have some personal and very funny way of telling a story that you can use Facebook very well for. Let's have a look.
Why did you go vegan? So let me tell you all a story about how it all began. Firstly, let us just say that before I was vegan, I was very much not vegan. I used to want to eat meat for every meal, and I didn't care at all about anything I was eating. That's right, it was about a 1 in a million chance that I would go.
And then you can see how he organizes this story. Very funny, very personal. These are a few examples of short and effective videos. Not all of them are 30 seconds, I'm afraid, but at least you get an impression. Let's go inside the course, have a look at all these different social media and how to use video on them. Very short videos.